who is the Speaker of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly?
There is no speaker. It was Nana Patole. Congress should have got the speaker's post. And for some reason, they didn't give it to Congress, despite the name being finalized 2 times. And that's the problem that I have. And that's exactly the problem that I have. So now this post is with the deputy
you have
speaker
this problem. No, one second. जैसे आप ये प्यार no, please, तहसीन 1 second. ये जो प्यार आप दिखा रहे हैं जनता के प्रति, ये actually प्यार कुर्सी के प्रति है. Do you know when Mr. Patole was removed as a speaker? More than 1.5 years ago. You are running the government.
He wasn't removed.
Now is the crucial role for the speaker.
He wasn't removed. He was
and you don't know who the speaker is.
But may I respond to that?
Yeah, but have you brought this up for 1.5 years?
Navika, please may I respond to that?
Tehseen, please. You can't get away from this
this time. In fact,
this time I have really trapped you.
Yes,
this time I have trapped you.
No, I can't. But please allow me to answer. I heard you. Please allow me to answer. Please allow me to answer. Navika, with your permission, I'd like to answer Anand because a very valid point he raises.
Okay. Right.
It was brought up, but also the governor played a dubious role in this.
Please go ahead.
Please, Anand, please, with your permission, please allow me to answer. You're right, Anand. I'm conceding the point to you, but please allow me to answer.
Go on, Tehseen.
It was brought up. The speaker elections did not happen, but yes, it was brought up. The speaker elections did not happen. But I'll also tell you one more thing. The governor, Mr. Koshiyar, played a very dubious role. On 2 occasions, he did not allow for the session to be called for the speaker election. So all of this, the Congress is the biggest loser in this, and I'm saying this. But I have another point to make, which is a fundamental point that I need to put across with your permission. I'll be very brief.
No.
There are 2 aspects
No, you don't have a speaker. Nobody in the NCP or Shiv Sena is agreeing to, your right to have a speaker, but you will blame the governor. NCP or Shiv Sena are not listening to you, but you will blame the governor.
Exactly.
And question the dubious role of the governor.
No,
you,
he did play a dubious
for 1.5 years, have the right to have a speaker, which your alliance partners are not allowing, and you're sitting because, as Anand says, कुर्सी प्यारी है, बाकी सरकार चल रही है तो चलने दो. How does it matter? We will keep running the government because at least we are in power in half a state, and that reflects good on our CV. So let things go on. Anand Ranganathan, is that not how the Congress party looked at this whole Maha Vikas Aghadi? Because they had 44. They had 44 MLAs compared to 106 plus 7 independents. 113 of the BJP, they had 44 and a chance to sit in power in government. They weren't complaining.
So, Navika, can I finish in 10 seconds?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I just finish in 10 seconds? Because this is the crux of the point.
Yeah, but please allow me to speak because I'm also part of
there is a reason why
what happens is, my time gets taken away.
I'll come back to you, Tehseen. Tehseen, सरकार नहीं भी बची आपकी, यहाँ टाइम मिल जाएगा. यहाँ मिल जाएगा. वहाँ की सरकार में टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, ना उद्धव ठाकरे से ना पवार जी से. यहाँ मिलेगा. धीरज रखिए. Please hold on. You'll get your time here even if you don't get a seat in the government. Yes, Anand Ranganathan.
Yes, you see, this is the reason why I asked this. Everyone is talking about कि ये क्या खेल चल रहा है, ये बीजेपी गड़बड़ कर रही है, हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग चल रही है. किसी ने अभी तक ये नहीं पूछा कि भाई 1.5 साल से स्पीकर ही नहीं है. डिसाइड कौन करेगा? और अभी I am astonished, my good friend Tehseen is blaming the governor. I've had it till here. Tehseen, I'm sorry, but today, normally I don't say this, but today you have to apologize. How can you blame the governor? You are running the government. And the 2 people who are sitting on this panel right now belong to Shiv Sena and to NCP, your coalition partners. How can you say for 1.5 years the governor is to blame when the all-important man right now is missing, the speaker? Come on, Tehseen.
कोalition का धर्म आपको फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर समझना चाहिए, इस तरह से नहीं करना चाहिए.
अरे भाई, मैं होटल में लोग आने से बंद कर दूंगा तो कैसा फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर है? कल आप होटल बुक करेगा, मैं मना करूंगा कि देश में फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर चल रहा है और असम का होटल में आप मत आइए. तो ये थोड़े फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर इसको बोलता है।
कितना दिन में सरकार बन जाएगी?
मेरा पता नहीं है, लेकिन असम में जितना दिन रहेगा मेरे लिए खुशी का बात है कि रहिए। मैं तो सबको बुलाता हूँ, सब आइए असम में।
उद्धव ठाकरे जी से क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस समय?
आप भी वैकेशन में आइए असम में।